There's a very interesting rubric where in respiratory complaints while coughing, the mucus flies out of the mouth while coughing. In each instance, the patient has to cover his mouth, and you can almost see flecks of mucus flying out of the mouth. And a very important remedy is chelidonium, and we often think of spongia in coughs, but badiaga is very important. Kali Moor, Kali Carbs, Kalis are important in this case. We can find it both in the chest chapter, the expectoration chapter of respiratory complaints, and we can also see this cross reference in the mouth chapter. So, expectoration, how the expectoration is escaping after the mouth, flies out of the mouth.